Surprises on surprises. This wasn't supposed to be here today. Got some gear for the channel. Selfie ring, get that light right. All right, let's get to this video. Hope that's good for y'all, man. But it's your boy ZT Zoomin, and I'm back with a booming video, baby. So I'm too juiced today, you guys. I got one of the best emails that you could freaking get. Now, I've been teasing it on this channel for a cool minute. I haven't said what it is. I got the email today. The tracking, it's shipped out. It'll be here Thursday. I don't know when I'll get it on, but I told you it was time for that's what the f we on, man. But anyways, in today's video, so we're shooting out to the shop right now. I need to get my actuators put on my freaking car. My exhaust has not worked right for a month and a half. I don't even know. It's been too long. Let's get to the shop. Bow, just like that, we back at the shop, you guys. Sorry if the footage in the last shot was a little bit bad in the car. I was on my GoPro. Now that I've got this Canon, like, GoPros are good, but if the lighting isn't perfect, man, the camera quality just ain't the same. Canon got me spoiled. But yeah, I just got out to the shop. Check this out, you guys. My grandpa got this little go-kart for my little nephew, and he put these big wheels on the back. Look how much bigger those wheels are in the back. They're way taller, so yeah, he should be scooting along on this little thing now. Shout out to my little nephew, man. That kid's a daredevil. Here's my old exhaust right here. Yo, you guys, I'm thinking we should do something with this. What you think? I don't know what we should do, but I'm kind of thinking, I don't know. You guys ever wonder what's on the inside? I don't know. All right, let's go ahead and get these actuators put on. I don't really feel like getting the car on the lift. It's not really necessary, but it looks cool. See, it just looked better on the lift. I feel like it make my videos that much more dope. All right, you guys, so here's the two actuators right here. Now, these actuators may look slightly different than what yours look like because mine have the extension on them from Corsa. It's so that it reaches over to Corsa's actual valve. The factory ones just plug right in. Now, if you guys don't remember in my original video a month and a half ago, I don't know how long it's been. Damn, okay, so according to YouTube, it's been 38 days since I dropped that video. I probably found out about the issue about 5 days before. So that's how long it's been since I've had these on there. But in that video that I just referenced, my actuators quit working, if you guys don't remember. So, oh wow, look at this too. It must be touching on the exhaust somewhere. So I'm gonna have to check this one out. I don't know which side they belong on. These are pretty universal. Damn, dude. Oh, look at this dog over here. Oh, you missed it. This goofball was under the table. This fool got in a fight with a damn skunk the other day, too. Smell like hell. I still love him, though. Anyway, so on the last video, if you guys don't remember, these actuators were not working. I don't know if it's because the valve was messed up or what was going on, but my actuators quit working altogether. I'm really hoping it's just caused by that valve, and when I put these actuators on, I don't have any problems. If I do have problems, I still have my AFM one, so we can switch to that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get these bad boys put on. I just realized you guys don't even know why we're working on the exhaust. I had to send mine in because I had an issue, so I sent mine in for a warranty repair. They sent me out an entire new muffler. That's what we're working on today. If y'all been rocking with me, I appreciate you. If it's your first time watching this channel, I appreciate you too. Thank you for spending your time with me, and consider dropping a sub if y'all like the content. If you guys have the MPP, it's freaking 3 bolts to put these on and off. Let me show you real quick. It's literally 1, 2, 3 to put that actuator on. Now what I did, if you can see it here, I actually taped the ends of my old connections. I just taped them with some blue painter's tape, nothing special. So we'll get this tape taken off, get my old ones plugged in, and see what we looking like. So the bolts are these little tiny 8 mils. Cool, got that one put on. Now I ended up zip tying my connections out of the way, because if you look here, it melted right there, as you guys can see. So that's because it was laying on the exhaust. Initially the wire was really stiff. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought it would be all good and I wouldn't have any issues, but the wire ended up falling from driving around. Started to melt it. Luckily it didn't melt the wires, so they still work. And no, this is not what was causing the issue with the actuators not working originally, because I figured this out way before. So, all right, so you see the zip tie there, and it goes down around, and it goes around the wire that runs back to the actuator there. That's just a quick little pro tip, just in case any of you guys encounter that. Y'all know I love dropping nuggets for you. Now I can only fit my phone in here, but you guys see right there, this actuator touches the freaking muffler right there. So this is on my passenger side muffler. I know there's a couple of you guys that also have this exhaust. So if you guys have this exhaust, let me know if you're having the same problem too, because I doubt it's something you'll ever go back and check unless you run into something like this. I'm just kind of interested. Is this a common problem? Is it not? I mean, this is all part of the game when you get the first run of items. Now I just loosened it up and tried to move it over as far as I could, but as you can see, that's pretty much still touching. All right, you guys, it's the moment of truth. It has been a month and a half since I have my freaking exhaust working correctly. I'm gonna start the car up, and then we're gonna test out these actuators. Man, hold up. Before we go any further in this vlog, man, I got to talk my shit. I know y'all saw the Lakers, baby. Let's go. 17 of them. Count them. LeBron, 4 of them. Count them, man. Come on. Whew. I just had to get that out real quick. Go Lakers, baby. I'm gonna start the car up, and then we're gonna test out the valve. Man, what's good, y'all? So I got it all done. We got the actuators put on. Man, I've been driving around in sport mode with the valves open, but damn, I swear. Sound good, but damn, I swear, if I'm not having that issue where it seems like my actuators aren't working correctly. Sorry, this road bumpy as hell. So you know on the infotainment system how you can choose between the modes that you want, like how loud the exhaust is. Well, when I was switching back and forth to stealth, it wasn't closing the valves and going to stealth. But driving around, if you guys know, when you're in sport or track mode, once you get, it's different in each mode, but once you get to around like 3rd, 4th gear, the valves will close on you, especially if you're not giving it too much gas. So when I cruise around, my valves are closing, and they're closing on the freeway. Y'all got a crazy glare right there. Damn, see, that's what I'm talking about with the GoPro, what I told you guys, man. If the lighting ain't perfect, always an issue with this mug. Y'all ain't leave me nowhere to park out here. Gotta park out here by this big ass truck. Whatever though. I don't know about you guys, but when I be parking, I park all the way out in the cut. What up, y'all? It's your boy ZT. Got my blue light glasses on, so I'm editing the video right now, and I just realized I never filmed an outro. Now, if my exhaust sounded funny to you guys when the valves were opening and closing, it did to me too. I kind of think it's because the mic was so close, but I'm not too sure. We'll investigate it. I didn't have time today, but that's gonna do it for today's vlog. This your boy ZT Zoomin. I'm keeping it moving, baby. I'm out. Peace. Process of going from this tripod to the bendy tripod, to this tripod, to the bendy tripod, to just the camera. It never ends. Just a quick behind the scenes for you guys.